Okay, about a year ago, I watched a YouTube video of this guy fly this contraption from a park to McDonald's to get a hamburger and fly back. And it looked amazing. His name's Tucker. He's a paramotor pilot. And since then, I've just been obsessed with paramotors. I've read blogs, I've watched YouTube videos, I've read books, and I decided this is something that I absolutely want to try. So I did some research, and I found that the best place to get training is this place called Aviator PPG down in Lake Wales, Florida. So I put our names on the waiting list. It's been about a year, and our slots finally come up. On October 18th, Natasha and I are going to go down and learn how to fly these things. They have been fantastic. Aviator PPG, you go down, you pay for your training, and they provide everything you need. They provide the motor, they provide the wing, they provide the helmets, the communications, everything. Unless you're giant, like me. They still have a motor that will work for me. They still have helmets and all that stuff, but they said that I needed to get my own wing. So that's what this is. I worked with Mary and Eric down at Aviator PPG, and they talked to their connections at Ozone, who makes the wings, and they've decided this is what I need. It's an Ozone Kona 31 meter. So let's see. Let's see what's inside here. Just want to not cut the wing. Now, I've seen a bunch of videos of people unboxing these, and there's usually a piece of cardboard right here to keep you from cutting the wing, but I'm still going to be super careful. Ooh. There we go. All right. There we go. Let's put this away to avoid any accidents. Oh, fantastic. So it comes with their DVD on ground handling. So this is a DVD that Aviator PPG has made, that they're shipping with all of their wings. They've also made the video available for free on YouTube. So you can check that out. Now, because I had to order this special, they let me pick the colors. So let's see. Ooh. Let's see what it looks like. So they call this their Easy Bag, Ozone's Easy Bag. And this is for packing everything up. It's actually heavier than I thought it would be. This. It's got a keychain, stickers, bottle opener, looks like a repair kit. That's fantastic. Okay. This is the speed bar. You push this with your feet, and it affects the shape of the wing to make you go faster. And here's the actual wing. Razors. You know what? Let's get this outside. There's not much room in here, and it's going to be big. Okay, so here it is all laid out at a park. And based on what I've seen on YouTube, it looks giant. I mean, it's twice the size of Tucker Gott's wing, but I guess that's fair because I'm probably twice the size of Tucker Gott. But here we go. It's hard to see the color scheme because I got it laid out getting ready to do try to do some kiting. So let's see how that goes. Faster.
I can't do faster. I mean, at least not today with this wind.
Ready?
Yeah?
Okay, well, now that it's rolled over, you can see the colors. There's zero wind today. And it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's already like 80 degrees, 80% humidity. It's hard work.